Hi, Will and Velvet here from Freedom Rolling. We're here with Miles. Unfortunately, it's just the three of us right now. If you'd like to tell them.
We made a hard decision on Monday. It was actually Saturday that we made it, but Maggie left us to be with my father, who passed away 4 years ago. So she is up in the Rainbow Bridge right this second. It's kind of hard for us to talk about right this second. She was sick. That's all I'm going to go into detail with, because that's all we want to share with. But we have some exciting news.
Yeah, obviously we've been a little bit busy for the last couple of weeks. Tomorrow, Friday, begins trip 3, and this one has no return. We are selling this place that we're in, and we are officially going to be full-time.
So we close on the house tomorrow. That's why it looks so bare and empty in here. And we are sitting here on chairs because we had no bed, no couch, any of that. Miles's first long distance trip will be soon. We will announce that when that comes closer.
Yeah.
If you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and we'll be able to answer them the best we can with the knowledge. I know there was a couple of questions that involved permanent or domicile residency. If you want to go into that.
Yeah, so basically what we're going to do is we are going to establish a domicile location. What that basically means is we intend, when all of this full-time RVing is said and done, we intend to retire and die in that particular state.
So you can choose any state, but there's 3 popular states that you can choose from, which is Florida,
Texas,
and South Dakota.
You'll find out which one we end up choosing. I don't know if we'll tell you guys or not. We might. You might be able to figure it out from some of our trips.
We'll be posting a lot more now that our adventure is getting ready to go into full gear and full throttle. We have a couple more days left where we need to take care of some business in our old home state. Some of you guys know where our old home state is. Some of you guys don't. Once we are out of the home state, then we will be more apt to share where it was.
And you could probably figure it out from some of our previous trips. We'll be having some updates to the Freedom Rolling website soon. Mostly it's going to be a trip map so you guys can see where we go. We are going to be putting a tribute to our beloved Maggie. I still miss her dearly.
We will also have a link on that particular page for her if anyone feels or wishes to donate. It's actually a cause that's near and dear to our heart.
And also very near and dear to Maggie herself. It's a charity that actually advocates for the welfare of the pit bull classification of dogs. I don't say a pit bull breed because pit bull is actually not a breed that is recognized in this country. The actual breeds are either the American Terrier or the Staffordshire Terrier. There may be a couple of others, but they are generally classified as pit bulls. So that's how that works.
So as we said, if you have any questions, comments, or anything else, just leave us a comment in the link below. Also, we have TikTok.
Yep, we would love to see you follow on there. We call it Freedom Rolling on the Roll because we're kind of on the roll when we're doing our TikToks.
And that will be pretty much, we'll have the Facebook page and we'll definitely follow up with that because that's where it started. But if you see TikTok come on to that page, it's because we do get a lot more follows.
Yeah, we do try
TikTok.
to. Yeah, we have. We do have a lot of follows on TikTok. We do try to use some of our other social media sites when we can, but
YouTube definitely will be one that we go.
the biggest ones are going to be Facebook and TikTok. So if you don't see us on YouTube very often, that's probably why. We try to bring it over there as much as we can.
But we've seen that there's a growing trend more on TikTok and also Facebook. So we will be doing giveaways and lives maybe on TikTok and on Facebook. So if we do a TikTok live and we're giving away, it will only be specific to TikTok. If we do one for Facebook, it will be specific to Facebook.
Yep.
Miles will be doing his first long journey.
I think we're excited for that one.
He's very good into the car, and you guys might be wondering what kind of dog he is. I call him a Chug Terrier. He is Chihuahua, Pug, and Terrier mix. He is a sweetheart with an attitude. He's picked up some of Maggie's good and bad habits already.
Yeah.
He does miss her.
We all do.
She taught him what he needed to know. He taught her patience.
Yeah, I don't think that got very far, did it?
No, but we didn't get rid of Maggie because of Miles.
Yeah, they were both very welcome in our family. We're so deeply saddened about Maggie. I mean, it's tough. You know, she has been there for so long. I mean, even before we got Maggie, we were very close to Maggie.
So Maggie made Will love her by peeing on him.
Yeah. And those who are used to Demolition Man and remember the phrase mellow greetings, well, Maggie used to always give me yellow greetings.
So we are going to hop off of here, since how we just made an 8-minute video.
Hey, you know, sometimes we got a lot to say.
And we haven't checked in a while with you guys, so we needed to check in with you guys, and we also needed to let you guys know that the star of the show, she unfortunately left us. So we have a new star of the show.
Well, he already was a star as well.
He is such a good boy. We have him 99% potty trained, so at least that will be good for the trailer. That was one of our main goals.
Oh, okay, yep. Still 99%.
It was one of our goals to make sure that, you know, he was potty trained and he was ready to go. Absolutely. He knows basic commands. So
bilingual too.
He is bilingual. So you guys have a wonderful night, and also remember to check us out on our social media pages and the blog, and we also still have t-shirts and pot holders for sale.
freedomrolling.com/shop.
And then always, what do we say?
Follow your internal compass.